Hello guys, welcome to Frequency in FX Trading channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing is looking into this trade we took long ago. This trade we call gold. This is SAUUSD, and you can see we're progressing. Guys, you remember the video I made the last time? The video is going to be tagged under this video. Okay guys, the video is going to be tagged under this video where I told you people that when gold gets to this point we are going to be taking our profit. So for that reason we're going to wait for gold to get to that level. But as you can see, gold right now, it is rising and rising, and of course we bought it. Y'all remembered how much how much um how much we were actually losing before now. There was a time we were at 3,000 USD profit, even though we were up here before, and we were
I'm begging my zip.
23,000
I've told you, tell mommy to buy same data.
USD, 2,000 pips. Okay, so in that video I said to you guys that this market, we are going to be looking at taking profits when it gets to that level, and that's the level I'm marking up here right now. You can see the account balance. It was lesser than this, but now we have $3,140,000, and gold is trading in profits.
Diana.
Only God knows when we're going to be closing all these trades, but we predicted this market, right? We predicted this market. We said it was going to go up. It was gonna surpass the previous area where it was before. And you can see this is a week. This is the weekly time frame. If I took you to the monthly time frame, you'd see that the market is creating structures, and the more structures the market creates, the better our accuracy. Now, I taught you guys in the previous video, I taught you guys a strategy, and the name of the strategy was a multi-structure strategy. And biasfully, this was what I saw. This was what I saw before I took a trade on this one. So the reason I decide to leave this trade, the reason I decided to leave this trade running is because there was a multi structure that took place at this area. There was a multi structure that took place at this area. So for the reason of a multi structure, I said to myself, even though this market went up and came down into loss, I would not give up on the market. I'll still be on this market and wait till the market breaks it. Okay, so in a quick topic, what I want to do here is to addressing every new viewers in this group, every new views, all of our new subscribers, all of those who are paying monthly for our services. If you are new in this game and you want to learn about forex trading, this video is made just for you. You are gonna learn everything about trading. You're gonna learn everything about trading, and I'll start by teaching you what forex trading is. And yes, what is forex? That's the
Please bring your food.
what is forex trading?
This Diana, you are wicked.
So you can see I wrote it on the screen already. So forex trading is the ability to exchanging one currency for another. There's a video I made and I explained the topic in a big term. I explained the topic. I explained what forex trading is and how you can trade it, and that might have not been enough. So what I'll do is, for that, I teach the beginner's guide,
God not allow you
but
to kill yourself with
not everybody probably got access to the video. I will be adding this to the playlist of that video. So whenever a beginner comes into the channel and is trying to learn the basics of the market, they either will select from the various videos that we made. They will have to select in the playlist section. When they go to the playlist section, they will see where I wrote beginner's guide to forex trading, and from there viewers start to learn how to trade. A new subscriber starts to learn how to trade, and
Nana, I want to come and learn trading from
the concept is as easy as ABC. Forex trading.
Diana, come now.
Forex trading happens to be the most easiest business.
Diana.
The most easiest business to do in the world. Like the most easiest business to do in the world. You can trade forex anywhere in the world, whether you are in Spain, whether you're in Croatia. Of course, I gathered clients from Croatia lately. I'm saying a big shout out to my viewers at Croatia and the people who pay for services from there. We are really, really grateful to our supporters, the ones who watch all our videos, and those in Germany as well. They're doing well. You trade anywhere, even if you're in South Africa, even if you were in Pakistan, and if you were in the most in-depth country in the world where they don't even use internet, you could still access forex trading there, because the simple term about the business is just to say you buy another country's currency with the preferred currency of your choice. There is the terminology is, you have naira. Okay, I'm in Nigeria now. So if I wanted to trade forex, I will use naira and buy any currency in the world. So how do I make my profit? Now this is when another topic comes in play, and the title is PEEP. PEEP is how you make profit. Okay, so what do we say PEEP is? PEEP is a resonate of which describes where you enter that and where you're going to be taking your profits from. It explains the size of the order you took, the value of the trade you took. Pips can be calculated in both profit and loss. If you bought dollars when it was 700 naira, when dollar rose to 1,500 naira, the pips, the difference of the pip is going to be 600 naira. So pips is the profit. So let's say if you went from um if you went from that point to, if it reduces in value, it's a loss. But if it rises in value, it's profit. So pips is mainly the calculation of either profit or loss. So you can be in profits and you can be in loss. Let's say you bought dollars when it was 700 naira, and peradventure dollar reduced in value. You are going to be in a loss of several pips. If you bought dollars when it was 700 naira, and then dollars went from $1 700 naira to 500 naira, you'll be in a net loss of minus 20 pips. So the difference of your profit and your loss is the pip. Let us just write that on the screen so you see it.
I'm waiting for my mom.
Peeps
I think
is the difference.
Because yes,
Is the difference
she sent me link where she pay for. I'll check it out.
of where a trade is taken from.
You know, I will have to pay for inspection fee.
A trade is taken from.
What if I go there and I don't like the place? Will they give me my money back? That's not agency fee, just inspection.
The difference of where a trade is taken from versus where it is going. Versus where it is going to. So that is peeps for you. Now that you understand what peeps is, you can use it seamlessly. The knowledge works for you anytime you open a trade. So let us use gold as an example. The value asset called gold. Let us use it as an example and part to the fact that we took a trade on it. So when I explain the terminology peeps, I say this market, I bought it at this level. The level I bought gold when it was $4,534, and currently you can see gold is in my position, in my direction, and it is currently 5,406. 5,000. Gold, you can see that gold is in a profit of 5,129 points. So gold is currently in a pips, 5,129 pips. So that's equal 512 pips multiplied by the next topic we're going to be talking about, lot size. So lot size, what is lot size? Lot size is how much investment you put in the business. You deposited $50 in your forex trading account. Now, anytime you want to take a trade, you are going to be like me. Our channel has gained a lot of reputation on YouTube already. People's trust. People invest with me. The $3 million I'm currently managing belongs to a client, somebody I trade for.
You are managing $3 million.
Should I show you?
That's approximately 3 billion.
Of course, I'm not lying.
Diana!
It's not my account, it's for somebody, but I'm trading it.
Diana!
Yeah.
Please come. Diana, I don't like what you are doing. She be somewhere to trade.
Look at it. See the balance?
Let me see it way.
That's $3 million. And they pay me well. I have in my personal crypto wallet, I have $2,000 there. I have $2,000 there. What happened? You doing crypto?
Hey.
Yeah.
You say he's managing $3 million for somebody.
Is it real money? I mean fake money. It's real. Yeah.
He's doing classes, so I'm not saying that. How are you doing classes without data? Is it possible? Is it possible?
I already told my I already told my subscribers that
Emmanuel,
You're gonna
no
have
problem. I'm
to.
almost done. You start work.
All right.
You start bidding your bid.
So that's the review of a student, or no, a boss. She in the future will be learning how to trade, and these are the questions we get. These are the challenges. When we're starting out, people want to know what we're doing, and some people don't really understand the flow of the business, but we teach them how it goes. And of course, you can make a lot of money from forex trading. You can start very small and make a lot of profits in the future. All of this is just to make you know that you can actually trade forex for a living, even if all you had was $1. The broker I use, which is Derif, they offer a deposit a minimum of $1, and you are going to be using risk management. Now I'm still in the topic of lot size. What is lot size? Now when you look at the top of this, what do you see? 0.22. How best can I explain what that is in such a way you understand? My aim and purpose anytime I teach you people is that I teach you in such a way that you understand and not have issues with how you see the market. My main aim, my main motivation is to see my clients grow, is to help you understand. Lot size is the amount of money you put for a trade. Lot size reflects on your account balance, but lot size can be limited. Lot size can be over 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 increased, and can also be in control of. I have $3 million and I'm trading for profits. Now, even if I use the highest lot size calculates how much you will be making on the pips and how much you might be losing on the pips. If I had $10 and I'm using a lot size 0.01 to trade the market, I am trading as though I invested $1,000. In the market's gold, 0.01 lot size represents $1,000. Now, why is that? It's because you cannot buy gold in the market for $10. Of course, you're not going to get a real and original gold for $10. It is an asset, it is a value, and it is an asset, it is a value, it is also a commodity, gold. Now you can't have $10 and buy gold, but why forex on mobile phone is interesting is because even if you were coming with just $10, the market, when you use their lot size 0.01, for example, it is as though trading with $1,000. Your lot size in your account is the money your broker lends you. You have $10, but the broker is going to lend you 10,000, no, $1,000, depending on the lot size you use. The simple terminology has been broken down and explained. You're using lot size 0.01, $1,000. So your profit would move in the range of the lot size you use. When you go minus 50 pips, 50 pips equals to 0.01. Lot size will give you $5. So in a real world, if you bought a gold for $1,000 and it deducted in value, it reduced in value the next day, of course, if it was 50 pips equals $5. Now, we're going up with this one. 0.01 lot size equals $5. 0.10 lot size equals $10,000. 1.0 lot size equals $1 million. Your broker lends you this money to trade the market. The reason the market is easy, it is an update, and only few people know about forex trading. But the people who took advantage of forex trading are those who are making real money in today's world. You wonder where people get money to buy expensive houses from. People who are living large. Well, what can I say? They trade forex. Even Davido trades forex. There are people who had nothing but started out as forex traders, and in 1 year, when they were following strategy, they were being updated. They are doing the right thing. When we teach them, they follow. The strategies work. Now, forex market does not belong to anybody's father. Nobody papa dey behind forex trading. It is the market. Even the broker banks don't understand the forex market. Banks banks are banks banks invest in assets, but they don't know where it will go or where it wouldn't go. So they invest and the markets do its thing. Dollars moves, not because somebody is behind it, but because value speak for itself. Gold moves, and it is not because somebody is behind it, but because value speaks for himself. So when we come into this big picture on the mobile phone, easy it is. Because if you actually wanted to invest in forex real time, you might have to go to the airport to buy these commodities, and of course airports might not even be willing to sell gold for $1,000. Or let's say you wanted to go buy dollars at the airport, they sell from $5,000 upward, and they are not giving you any lot size. They're not giving you any lot size of any kind that you can work with, just like the forex market offers us. So the lot size here is an advantage for us because it is something that the broker gave to us to use in order to be profitable. The broker said when you trade with 0.01 lot size, even if you had $100 only in your forex trading account, 0.01 lot size is as though you're trading $1,000. And if you have more money, you increase your lot size, and that's the broker lending you money to fight the market. And you need to come in with a good strategy. And guys, I've taught a lot of videos. I've taught a lot of strategies. You can scroll through one of my videos, look for a strategy I thought about, and start using it. If you utilized one strategy and it worked for you, you can use two strategies because multiple businesses would yield multiple profits. Okay, in the future, I will be working with people who will be trading for me. I will give them a principle on what to do and how they can actually trade for me. I don't want to trade by myself because when I trade by myself, I get too emotional and I lose a lot of money. I When I look into the charts, when I look into the market, my high balls is going over and over. I just want to make quick money, and I discovered I start to gamble. So, in the nearest future, I will employ workers, people who will trade the market for me. I will pay them monthly, depending on their profitability, and of course, all the strategies that I bring to this game are profitable. I've taught a strategy that has 98% accuracy, but the only way to take advantage of that strategy is to be patient for it to play out. If you had a single strategy, you need to be able to afford it. Okay, it's like starting a business and you cannot run the shop, you cannot pay the rent, and you're thinking of starting another one. It's gonna go into retrogression and you might lose everything. So what strategy is best to trade in the market when you are just starting out as a newbie? Work with one strategy. But if you have people to work under you, you can actually pay them and strictly tell them to trade one strategy. Investing $100 in a worker's account, telling them what to do, they can work seamlessly for you. They will make you a lot of profit. Or if you bought a bot on the internet, that can also work out. But buying a bot requires that you pay for it. Okay, a bot, like a human being, is going to do everything a human being does, and bots can work better for you because they are seamless minded. They just do what you tell them to do. But human beings, you can shout from now to tomorrow and they still make a mistake. But everybody who I'm gonna be bringing into the forex trading market, I intend to have them trade for me. So this is a job opportunity for you who is looking for a job. If you know you need a job, or probably you're working somewhere and you're looking for a side or two, okay, I do not, I'm not going to encourage you to gamble with your last card. You can DM me on WhatsApp, contact me and tell me you need a job. I will give you a forex trading account to manage and tell you what strategy to use. I am certain the strategy works. Now, if the strategy works, it would yield a lot of profit. So, strategy that works and profits for the month. At the end of the month, a client gives his feedback and reports. He won the market. He gets 20% of anything he makes, and the rest belongs to the investor. I will have a system whereby I see every activities performed on that account. And if you get employed in this market, please be in your best attitude, be in your best mindset. Be willing to make money. Okay? You are not going to be unserious because now you're going to be dealing with real money. And we are dealing with real money in the market, and that is why we trade realistically. Trading is not a gamble, okay? Never forget that. Anytime you're trading, don't look at the market as a gamble. All of this I said, if I give it a topic, it is called the trading psychology. You need it. And there are several other videos of which I made trading psychology videos about. I taught about the psychology you require as a trader in order to win this forex trading market. Now, trading psychology is going to work for you when you use it properly, and that's why I'm teaching you this. That's what I'm teaching you here. Trading psychology in the forex trading market suggests that you stay patient and listen to a mentor, listen to an advisor. Somebody who tells you what to do is very important, especially if he's going to pay you. I'm looking for clients I can convince and tell them, hey, bro, you have an account? I will trade it for you. I will follow one strategy. I will follow only one strategy, and I will be dedicated to trading only that strategy. I will make it hard. I say, sir, I will trade a strategy for you, and I will help you multiply your money. I mean, just take a look at the market. When we talk about the pattern, I taught a strategy M and W. Guys, it works all the time. Even this current trade I took, it was taken under the base M and W pattern. You see, immediately I sold this market. This market started going in profit. You can see I'm in a profit of $187 each in three different trades. I sold gold, and that's the profit. Guys, I will be ending this video soon. I'll say thank you for watching this video. If you learned anything in this channel, make sure you like, subscribe, share the video to your friends, tell them to come back for more. Bye guys, this is Frequency in FX Trading channel. See you in my next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, turn on the notification bell so whenever I post another video, you're the first person to get an alert. Bye.